Hey everyone, welcome to Woven Stars. My name is Miss Lorena, and today I'm gonna show you what you'll need to make a woven star and then how to make these stars. So you want some cardboard and you're gonna cut it into a circle. So if you wanna try to freehand it, you can. It's up to you on the size. This is, let's see, it's about almost five inches around. That, or you can trace something round to help you out to make it even. Then you'll need some scissors, a pencil, a ruler, string, some kind of string or yarn. I have thin string here, and then I also have thicker yarn. So it's up to you. And you can use multiple colors. I'm just using two right now to show you two different kinds of stars you can make. So with your circle cut out, you do want to use your ruler and make sure that in the middle of it, you make a mark on either end about maybe an inch length. Actually, you do half an inch length, so on either end, and then as a plus sign do the either end, and then in the middle of those of your plus sign you're going to make it on those, and then another one. So altogether you want 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 slits. So then with that, you take your string or yarn, up to you, and then you just start by putting it on either end. So wherever you want to start. And then I'd say leave about an inch or two, probably 2 inches, on the back side of it. So this one I can tell is my back side because there's a number on that. So then right across from that one, you want to put the string in through the other slit, so then it's on through the back there, and it's straight in the front. And then you're gonna wanna actually move to another part. So if you want to go across from it and then straight across from that one, and then keep going. So this is the back end, so keep going to the one next to it, across, and then actually I think I did it differently last time, so I'm gonna go across from it. Actually, I'm gonna go to the next one over to use less string, so that might have been what I had done in my practice round, and then across in the front. So you can go next. If you want to save string, if you don't have that much, you can do it this way, or you can keep going across the whole thing and then straight across from that slit right there up. And then there's one left, so next to it and then straight across. And then if you can tie it, or it kind of keeps it nice and tight on there, but I might tie it so you can tie your ends together just to make sure that it stays in place. And then if you can double knot it, that's great. I don't know if I can reach mine. Make sure yours reaches too to tie it. So I would say not to cut your string until the end, just because you don't know how much you're going to use or want to use. And I tied it in the back, and that's the front of it. So that's one star. Now you can keep going with the same color and make it a little thicker instead of just having one piece. And then I'm just going to show you a different kind of star with my red yarn here. So I'm going to put a slit in a slit, and then I'm going to keep like an inch or two in the back. Now this one is a little trickier. This one took me a minute. You want to skip 2 slots on the side of where you put it in. So 1, 2, and then go into the third slot. And then you want to skip one slot and put it in the second one around the back, and then bring it up to the top. So you want to make like a V shape there. And then you can go over to the next slot on the back of the cardboard, and then again from there you want to skip two, so 1, 2, put it in the third, skip one, put it in the second around the back, and then bring it up like a V in the front. And you want to keep going with this one, so put it in 1, 2, in the third, skip this one, put it in the second, and bring it up. And then I'll put it in the next one, skip 1, 2, put it in the third, skip one, put it in the second, and bring it up. Next one, 1, 2, 3, skip one, bring it up. And then you keep going actually. I'm going to put it in another one until my string kind of runs out. So there we go, that one ran out there. So there you go. So as you can see, like I went around a couple times and you can see my yarn kind of looks cool with more yarn or string. But that is my woven star, and you can use it. You could actually probably like put a hole in it and then hang it up somewhere, or just place it somewhere, put it in a frame if you'd like. You can do that too. And then you can share with us on our library, on the Payless Heights Library Facebook page, or tag us on Instagram and show us your woven designs.